Hello friends, hope you are fine. If you want your PC to lock and unlock with a USB pen drive, then you need to watch the video till end. Once a particular USB drive is removed from the computer, it will get locked and unlock when the drive is plugged in again to any USB port. Just go to Google and type USB Raptor. Downloading USB Raptor is very simple and easy to download. Click the download button and download process will begin shortly. As I have already downloaded it, so I will cancel it. Once it done, open USB Raptor from here. In the above part you can set your password. Now here you need to connect a USB flash drive. After connecting a USB flash drive, click Create Key File. Now you need to enable USB Raptor. In Advanced Configuration, check these options, so the USB Raptor will start at Windows Startup. Now as I remove the USB flash drive, the PC will get locked. I will reconnect it again to unlock it. You can enable or disable USB Raptor from here. Once it is unchecked, it will no longer work. It is not working now because USB Raptor is disabled. I will enable it again. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give this video a thumbs up, and for more useful updates subscribe my channel. See you in next video. Bye.